Okay, this is problem 4.4.3, and we're asked to add, and we're adding like terms. So like terms are going to be terms that have the same variable raised to the same exponent. So for instance, the first thing that we need to do actually is go ahead and remove these parentheses. And because there's a plus sign out front, there's no distribution that needs to happen. So we can just go ahead and drop the parentheses. And then looking at the like terms here, there's basically two sets of like terms in this problem. The x's are like terms, and then the constants, the 3 and the -5, are like terms. Okay, so let's go ahead and add those. So we've got the -4x and the 1/2 x. Now we're going to need to get a common denominator there, and the common denominator is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 4 by 2/2. And that's going to give me -8/2x plus 1/2 x. Okay, now that I have a common denominator, I can bring the numerators together, and I've got a -7/2x. Okay, and that's for my x's, so I can cross those off. And I can go to the next thing in the list, which is just our constants. So +3, -5 would just be a -2. And then the 5x squared doesn't have a like term, so that'll just come along. This is not written in descending order, and they didn't ask us to write it in descending order in the problem. So it would be sufficient to go ahead and just write the answer like this. If they had asked for this to be written in descending order, excuse me, then we would write it as 5x squared minus the 7/2 x minus 2. But either of these answers are going to be correct here. And that's it.